guys, today we are going to be making a serving platter made out of resin. So it will be a 2-part resin, equal parts of each one. So there's A and there's B. And then I'll be putting some paint, the acrylic paint, in there as well, just to add some color. I do have some pulls that will be for the handles for the tray. I have some disposable cups and disposable gloves for safety. Okay, so what I did, I filled this tray with water and then I poured it into a measuring cup and found out that it will hold 500 milliliters. So in this disposable container, I went ahead and marked it right here for 250 milliliters and this for 500 milliliters. So I'm going to go ahead and pour part A up to this line and B up to that line. Oh, you know what? First, what I do want to do, I want to get my paints ready so that doesn't start setting up. So I'm just going to use these disposable cups and I will put some of the color in there. I think these are going to be so pretty. This one is a plum. This one is the plum. So I'm just going to put just a little bit in there and see how that goes. And this one is a rose chrome. Oh my gosh, that's really pretty. And this one is just a mother of pearl. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put part A. Okay, now I will put in part B. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and mix this. I'm using a knife only because I ran out of spoons. I'm sure a spoon would work much nicer. And it does put off a little bit of an odor, so you do want to wear a mask or definitely do the project outside. It's not too bad. You know, I do want okay. I'm gonna add a little bit more plum. Make that a richer color. Okay, so now I'm gonna start pouring. And you gotta make sure your tank is clear. And I'm just gonna try to create my own little marbling effect. It really doesn't matter how you do this. Each piece will be unique. So Okay, now that it has set, on the box it does recommend 24 to 48 hours before it is cured, but I did let it sit for 72. So we're gonna go ahead and peel it back. And that came off super easy. And that is beautiful. That is durable. And it does seem like there's, on the edge, it's a little sharp, but it's not too sharp to where it would cut you. But I actually might want to keep that there in case you do have anything like olives and the juices are on there, and so that they don't run off of it, it might be good to have that there and to hold it all together. So there you have it. That's gorgeous. So if you want to see more projects like these, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks, and have a great day.